Hello everyone, welcome to our lesson 5 class 1 of African drum with singing. Today I'm going to teach you our drum beats of a song called Sanibona. Sanibona is a Zulu song that simply means greetings to you all. Let's sing our whole song while playing the African drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Sanibona, Sanibona mazula mahle, Sanibona, Sanibona mazula mahle we, Sanibona, Sanibona mazula mahle, Sanibona, Sanibona mazula mahle, Sanibona, Sanibona mazula mahle, Sanibona, Sanibona mazula mahle we, Sanibona. Sanibona mazula mahle, Sanibona, Sanibona mazula mahle, halala, halala sanibongela, halala, halala sanibongela we, halala, halala sanibongela, halala, halala sanibongela, halala, halala sanibongela, halala. Sanibongela we, halala, halala sanibongela, halala, halala sanibongela. Our beats are tones on bass, bass. Now we are going to try them on the drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try them again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of our African drum with singing. If you are interested in learning more with us, you can hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.